first we're gonna go to gallery. Over here in gallery, open the photo that you wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Next, we're gonna tap on this square with a pen in order to start editing our photo. Now in here we need to find the option that allows us to erase things from a photo, which we can find in the create section. Over here we can tap on erase, and we need to actually download the eraser first in order to be able to use it, but it shouldn't take too long to actually get it. And then once it is downloaded, we can select it. We can remove objects, we can remove people, we can remove reflections, and we can manually remove things from our photo by selecting it. Now, in these cases, the phone might be able to detect automatically, group of people that you might want to remove, etc. But in some other cases, of course, we can select it manually. So let's say I'm gonna select this car toy over here. There we go. We have our car selected. So now we're gonna tap on start in order to start erasing. And let's see if the results will be satisfying. And after a short while, it should be gone. Now in this case, I was kind of unlucky to be left with this spot over here. But let's switch to manual erasing, and I'm gonna actually select all of this over here in order to see if I can actually get rid of that as well. So do not be afraid to reselect some things that might be left after erasing the photo, and as you can see, it is now much better. So tap on this check in the bottom right corner in order to save it, and then press save in the upper right corner to save your photo. It is actually saved as a copy. You do not replace the original photo. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.